Being a vegan means adopting a plant-based diet free of foods that come from animals. Nonetheless, it is indispensable to mention that the vegan diet is not the direct synonym for unhealthy eating habits. Instead, a well-considered and planned diet can be even more nutritious and balanced than any other type. When it comes to a vegan diet, there are two opposing ideas you can come across. Some people believe that all the essential nutrients, vitamins, and minerals can be obtained from plants and greens, while other people are convinced that vegans always lack some elements for normal functioning. Who is right and who is wrong? At this point, it is inevitable to realize that these points are individual and depend mainly on the person. For instance, a busy college student who has recently decided to be a vegan may have hard times following the rules and making proper nutritional choices, while a grown-up person who has accepted veganism as a culture may do everything possible to stay healthy and well. Anyway, irrespective of all the circumstances and conditions around, there are essential nutrients every vegan can add to a diet, and make no mistakes. According to numerous studies, it is exceptionally challenging for a vegan to meet all the dietary requirements, so the overwhelming majority of them start taking supplements that keep their bodies full of energy. What essential nutrients should you choose? No matter how busy you are, there is always an opportunity to devote some of your time to the investigation of the question. Check out the Essay One Day webpage to get professional assistance with your college tasks so that you have enough time and an opportunity to deepen your knowledge in the sphere. Nonetheless, if you can accomplish all your assignments on time without extra assistance and have no need to search for the answer to the IODINE essay legit question, you can start digging the theme right away. Besides, there is a beneficial chance to forget about the challenging assignment and deal with it much faster. Look through the list of essential nutrients that healthcare specialists recommend for vegans who strive to stay safe and sound. Vitamin B12. As mentioned in numerous medical reviews, this vitamin has an unlimited number of health benefits for the human body. In most instances, people who take B12 have no problems with excessive tiredness, central nervous system disorders, and a range of other ailments. Vegans can get the vitamin from yeast extracts, some mushrooms, chlorella, cereals, and some other products. Vitamin D. The sunlight vitamin is exceptionally beneficial for the vegan diet, as it speeds and improves the absorption of phosphorus and calcium in the body. Besides, vitamin D triggers a variety of other processes in the human organism, advancing mood and memory, strengthening the immune system, and boosting muscle recovery. Omega-3. Unfortunately, omega-3 is one of the elements that cannot be produced by the human organism. Therefore, it is essential to get it from some supplements so that you can keep the organism healthy and well functioning, as specified by the healthcare providers. Omega-3 plays a crucial role in the health of your eyes and brain, eliminating the risk of ADHD, breast cancer, and depression development. Soya spread, vegetable oil, pumpkin, and a variety of seeds can become the best sources of nutrients. Iron. It is one of the most important elements that keep people healthy and full of energy. Iron is responsible for the enrichment of red blood cells with the oxygen necessary for proper body functioning. Chia seeds, pumpkin seeds, dried apricots, lentils, and some other products may become the best sources of iron. Zinc. Muscle growth, recovery, and repair depend on the concentration of zinc in the human organism. Additionally, it is the element that predetermines skin quality. Most vegans get the necessary amount of zinc from chickpeas, beans, almonds, and cashews. Calcium. This is undeniably one of the most common and well-known nutrients that play a prominent role in bone and teeth health. Additionally, calcium is critical for the central nervous system, heart health, and muscle functioning. Broccoli, watercress, turnip greens, and some other products can help vegans advance the concentration of the mineral in the body. Iodine. Thyroid functioning directly depends on the amount of iodine in the organism. The deficiency of the nutrient can lead to devastating health problems, with hypothyroidism being the most common one. It is challenging to find the proper source of this element, as its content in the food depends mainly on the soil where the product has been grown. Therefore, it is recommended to take iodine as a supplement, especially if you follow a vegan diet. Irrespective of the decision you make and the supplements you choose to take, you should not miss an opportunity to discuss your diet with a healthcare specialist. Get your college assignments accomplished by the specialists at Just Do My Essay and head directly to the doctor's office. Provide the medical provider with detailed information about your current health state, including the underlying and accompanying health issues. Additionally, mention the specifications of your current diet so that the professional can give you individual recommendations and directions for the use of advantageous nutrients.
That's it for today. Check out the channel for more health and weight loss content. You can also purchase our weight loss course. And please, like and subscribe to be notified of our next tip. See you next time.